Let's get some more of this action on YouTube. Look at that. Tough job. How about this person here? Let's see. Wow. They have these new shovels with the... they're kind of like bent. I guess it's sort of to protect your back. You can see that one there. Wow. Tough job. It's looking over. Is that a woman? Oh man. Let's have a better look here. It must be a woman. It's tough work, you know? It's tough work, but I'm doing the real work inside here. Oh, look at this guy, he's got the snowblower. Very smart. Very smart guy, see that? Yeah. Nice, that's nice snowblower. What do you call that? The leaf blower. Get rid of the snow, very good. My neighbor there, big guy, 6'4". Professional electrician. Is he any match for this lady that came from India by helicopter today? I doubt it. She could take him. She could take that guy, for sure. Make sure we get all this done over here, because the mailman falls. Guess who he's going to be suing? We don't want that. Well, these people, a lot of them are not doing their driveways. There's a lot of retired people on the street. So I'm not sure how they get their driveways done. I guess they don't know that you can get an Indian to come down here by helicopter from India. We take good care of this woman. She's good to us. Very, very good to us. Well, tough job. This guy's working, right? He's working. Alright guys. Babe, wife Elizabeth, I'll see you later.